Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a poppin' wash and go without the crunch. So it all starts with wash day, so I'm going to show you my wash day routine all the way to how I style my hair for that perfect wash and go. The first step that I take on wash day is to do a treatment. So I will either pre-poo my hair, do an apple cider vinegar rinse, or the olaplex treatment. Each of these steps are very good for the hair just because it prevents the over cleaning the hair. It gives you that moisture, that hydration that your hair really loves and needs, and it just makes the hair look and feel so much better. I decided to do the Olaplex number 3 treatment, and I absolutely love this treatment. My hair not only looks better, it feels better, it's more softer, shinier, smoother, overall healthier. No matter if you have color in your hair or not, Olaplex number 3 is a really good treatment to do for your hair. It's going to help to reconnect broken bonds and repair the damage to your hair that has been caused by chemical processing, heat styling, and even if you've over manipulated your hair. It's also going to help to improve and maintain hair strength and integrity. It helps to repair damage and frequent coloring and bleaching if you do that. I don't have any color in my hair, and I don't plan to add any for a while. It is also going to help to lessen the breakage and help hair to grow a lot longer, and I have noticed that it does help. And it also helps to reduce the appearance of split ends and tame frizz, and overall it's just going to help to make the hair more shinier, smoother, and more manageable. So I definitely recommend this treatment to anyone who wants to try it. It's paraben free, it's sulfate free, it's a really good product to use. To apply this treatment, all I'm going to do is separate my hair into quadrants. This just helps me to stay nice and organized and focused. Then I'm going to take each quadrant and separate it into subsections, and I'm going to spray some warm water using my mister bottle. This is going to help my hair to stay nice and damp as I'm applying the treatment. So as I'm applying it, I really want it to penetrate into my strands so that it can really be effective. And I'm going to continue this process on the rest of my hair, and I also have a dedicated detailed video on how I apply the Olaplex treatment if you'd like to watch. Now that I've applied the Olaplex treatment to all of my hair, I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before I rinse it out. I left the Olaplex treatment in my hair for 15 minutes exactly, and look how defined my curls are. This would have been a beautiful twist out, but it's time to rinse this treatment out. Now that the treatment has been thoroughly rinsed out of my hair, I decided to use a hydrating shampoo. And after rinsing the treatment out, my hair feels so healthy and soft. For shampoo, I'm going to be using Shea Moisturized Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo because it is very creamy and it is not going to strip my hair. It's going to cleanse my hair very good, but it still gives me that hydrating feeling after I rinse it out. Using shampoos like this is very good because not only is it going to help to hydrate your hair, it's also going to help to keep your hair nice and moisturized, and it's gentle enough to use more than once a week, and it's not going to strip your hair, which is the important part. You don't want your hair stripped of its moisture. It's also going to provide optimal hydration for both normal and color treated hair, so it's going to increase your hair's manageability, smoothness, and shine. It's also color safe, sulfate free, phosphate free, and paraben free. This is also one of my favorite shampoos because I can apply it on the length of my hair and not worry about my hair drying out at all, which I love. And now it's time to rinse the shampoo out completely. And my hair still feels nice and hydrated after I rinse the shampoo out. After rinsing the shampoo out, I always follow up with a nourishing conditioner. And I chose to use the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Conditioner. And I really like this conditioner because it's also going to provide intense moisture. It also has some proteins in it. So for you that are protein sensitive, choose another conditioner that is great for your hair that is also going to provide some moisture, because that is very key when having a nice wash and go. As you can see, I have separated my hair further into a subsection to apply the conditioner into my hair. It's very important that you work all your products into your hair. You want to get the best and most benefit from these products, so I like to separate it into two halves from the quadrant. So if you have to separate your hair more just to make sure that the products are working and penetrating into your hair, then do that. This is very essential to note, not only for a good wash and go, but for any style. You really want to make sure that your products are penetrating and working for you. So no matter if it's a wash day or styling products, you want to make sure that your products are penetrating into your hair and not sitting on top. If you notice the products are sitting on top, it may mean that the product's not working for you, or you can have a moisture overload or protein overload. So you really want to make sure that the products are penetrating, and if not, then you need to reassess the products that you're using, whether it's the ingredients or the steps that you are taking. Now that I've applied the conditioner to all four sections, it's time to rinse it out, and my hair feels so smooth and moisturized, hydrated. It just feels so good. And when my hair feels like this before I deep condition, I know my style is going to be on point. Now that I rinsed the conditioner out, I'm going to deep condition my hair, and deep conditioning is very important. I never skip it. I'm going to be using the Camille Rose Oud Rich Infusion Moisture Treatment, and this is amazing. I really love using this deep conditioner because it penetrates deep into my hair strands, which is very important. Also, it provides me shiny, smooth, soft hair, and I love that, especially for my styles. I want my hair to just feel soft and smooth, not to be hard and crunchy or even to look crunchy. I want my hair to really feel like nice, healthy hair. And you can see how well this deep conditioner is making my curls pop, and this is definitely something I look for with any products that I use. I want my curls to pop, to feel hydrated, to be hydrated, and just to be overall healthy. And I'm going to put a plastic cap over my hair just to give my hair that added TLC that it loves. And I leave the cap on for about 10 minutes while I take my shower. Once I take the cap off, my hair, it feels so moisturized from within, and that's very good. I want my hair strands to be fully moisturized and feel so hydrated, because this is going to make a world of a difference when I style my hair. So after I've rinsed the deep conditioner out, I will be styling my hair. And I use a cotton t-shirt to soak up the excess water in my hair. Now it's time to style my hair, and I did leave this t-shirt on for about an hour while I did my motherly duties, and I will be trimming my hair very soon. The first step in styling my hair is to use a leave-in conditioner. I always use a leave-in conditioner. I use the LOC method, but I know for some people the LCO method works for them to help keep that moisture in. Also, some people like to use the LOCO method. Some people use the LCOC. Whatever works for you to keep that moisture in your hair, do that. It may take some trial and error, but whatever works for you, do that. This is catered for you and not anyone else to keep that moisture in your hair. It's going to be very, very important to keep that moisture in so that your hair does not dry out. And for my leave-in conditioner, I'm using the Kinky-Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In / Detangler. And before I apply the leave-in conditioner, I'm making sure that my hair is pretty damp. And I also make sure that I'm working the leave-in conditioner in my hair very well. So I will separate my hair into sections as needed. And if I don't feel that slip on the ends of my hair, I will apply more water and more leave-in conditioner until I do feel my hair is fully hydrated and moisturized. So if you don't feel like your hair has that slip, don't be afraid to add more products. As long as you're not overdoing it, your hair will soak that moisture up, which is great. We really want our hair to thrive and be moisturized. Next for me is to use an oil to help seal that moisture in. I've already mentioned many people use different methods. Use whatever method is going to work in your hair, but for me it is to use an oil after a leave-in conditioner, and I apply a generous amount. So I do have many different oils in this applicator bottle. Typically I'll use only one oil for this step, but I did have a mixture of oils sitting here, so I wanted to use that. And the oils that I put in this applicator bottle are jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and almond oil. And I only apply the leave-in conditioner and the oil, and I'll work on the other 3 sections of hair. So I don't apply the cream just yet. I'm actually letting these 2 products marinate into my hair strands, and I can tell a world of a difference. Ever since I started doing this, I noticed that this section of hair that has just the leave-in conditioner and the oil feels so much better, and the strands are just ready to take the cream. I really like doing my hair this way versus applying all 3 products in one. And also, don't forget to give your ends the TLC that it needs. Now that all 4 sections have just the leave-in conditioner and the oils, it's time to put my styling product on, and I choose to use the Kinky-Curly Curling Custard. And I really like this product. It's a gel, but it provides a lot of slip for me, and it does not dry my hair out, which I love. When applying the gel, I'm just using about a dime size amount and just smoothing it through my hair strands. Again, I'm just sectioning my hair off, and then I'm taking my Denman brush to make sure that the gel is really absorbing into my hair strands. And I'll take a little bit more of the gel as needed, and I'll take smaller sections of hair and twirl it around my finger just to help enhance the curl. And I want you to take note of how I'm holding the Denman brush, and I'm just rotating my wrist to really smooth all the products in my hair very well. And this is also going to help to enhance the natural curls, so when your curls dry, they can have a little bit more definition. And I'm going to continue to take smaller sections of hair and twirl it around my finger. After I have done this process all over my hair, here is how it looks, and I can tell that my hair is taking very well to these products. And I'm going to let my hair air dry, but because it is nighttime and I'm about to go to sleep, I'm going to put a plastic bag over my hair until the morning time, and then I'm going to take it off and fully let my hair air dry for the rest of the day. It's the next morning and my hair looks so good. After I take the bag off, it still has all that moisture and hydration, and I can tell that the products really soaked in and absorbed into my hair, which is a great sign because as it's drying, it's going to have all that moisture and hydration that my hair needs to prevent it from drying out. Fast forward to about 6 hours later and my hair is pretty much dry. I'm just going to apply a little bit more of the oil mixture to my hair because I am going to separate the curls even further. It's the method that I use with a Denman brush. It really clumps my curls together, so I do want to separate that so I have more definition and volume in my hair. This is really going to give that nice voluminous look. And for more volume, I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb to pick my hair. But I'm being very careful not to comb the curls out. And my hair has a beautiful mixture of volume, definition, and moisture. And because many of you always ask me, how do I preserve my styles? I'm going to show you. So for my wash and goes, I always pineapple my hair using a scarf. I do not use an elastic or a scrunchie. I just pineapple my hair, and then I'm going to use my bonnet to cover the pineapple. It's the next day, so I can finally wear my wash and go how I want it. So I'm just going to fluff my hair out with my fingers, and I'm going to use my wide tooth comb for some added volume. And I'm also going to use some water from my Mr. bottle just to give me a little bit more moisture. I really love moisturized, hydrated hair. And now I'm just going to shape my hair to my liking. And here's the finished results. I'm really loving how my hair turned out, and this is why wash day is very important to also the products that you use for styling. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You know you ghosted by me. Soon as you see that text, reply.